I was ice cold. Totally present in the moment. Like for a few seconds, I saw everything and it all made sense. You know what I mean? Like everything.
Shit, man, until your crazy ass hit that tree.
Dude, did I choose the tree or did the tree choose me? You know what I'm saying? It's the journey that matters, not the destination. Am I right, Jeff?
Dominator, buddy. You are the Dominator. Because in the case of skydiving, shit, the destination seems kind of important to me.
So what syllabus did you rock? AFS? You all good with the PLF?
Say what?
What's your training background?
Man, I found your crazy dumbass in the tree and now I'm here. That's all the background your ass needs to know. Virgin in the drop zone!
Timing in the hole! No, but seriously, I got you. Don't sweat it. It's not rocket science, although it is in some ways. But I'm talking metaphorically. Like you with that dog. I didn't get that, by the way.
Wait, hold on, man. So you telling me you had no memory of a fucking dog?
There you go again. It's off kilter, and I dig that about you. But we need to get on the same page, bud. Strategize and synergize. You feel me? Like the double helix.
Man, all I'm feeling is regret on a whole new level.
Take the tampon out, bro. It's like riding a bike, except at 100 miles an hour head first towards the ground. You can't go wrong. Am I right, Jeff?
Statistically, safer than having a wank. What the hell? Yeah, man, you can totally get infections, you know? If you leave it too long between washes and, you know, yeah, it's a bad scene, trust me, okay?
Okay, guys, let's keep this hetero. All you need to do is pull that ripcord there. Ideally, before you hit the dirt.
So there's only one thing to remember, right? But your ass managed to forget it on your last dive.
Oh, funny guy. Yeah, we'll see who's laughing when you're spraying out of both ends. I got 100 on a Code Brown, Jeff.
Guaranteed.
All right, I'm gonna jump second. Get that chocolate rainbow on film.
Man, you two are dicks.
Hey, you see that mountain up ahead? That's our DZ.
Or what?
Drop zone, dude. Get with the acronym, seriously. So have you checked your rig?
Man, I don't know that one either.
No, your rig. Your pack. Your fucking suit, bro. Every diver checks his own rig. Something goes wrong, it's on you.
Wait, man, so how the hell do I...
Okay, no more talking. We gotta get our minds in the game. Eyes on the prize. Think about gravity. Switch off before we switch on. You know what I'm saying? It's you against nature out there. There can only be one winner.
Fuck, man, what the hell am I doing here?
This shit is insane!
Yo! How do you like the taste of your own balls? Yo! What's with the early squirt, dude?
Okay, last one down the mountain buys the protein shakes!
Pretend you're your dog and hang a left. Hey, dial it back! Whoa! Gnarly stretch here, top-notch. All I'm seeing is a semi, buddy, and I want a hard-on. Oh, we got a hole in the road! Ski jump! Hit the sky, bro! Oh, shit! Double jump! Go aggro on the track! Get right up in its grill! Lock session! Oh, is he trying to out-dominate the Dominator?
Yeah, I damn near killed myself, and you wasn't even pushing it. Whatever, bro. I know this bike. I know this body. I was operating at the perimeter of my parameters, and you were being reckless. And now you're having a whinge. A what? Listen, meet me by the airport when you're grown up here, all right?